Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these spider web cookies. Now these are amazing, a lot of fun to make and very simple, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. So here's what you need to make this recipe. You're going to need a large bowl, a sugar cookie recipe, which I'm using a bag recipe. You can make your own sugar cookies if you'd like. And this recipe calls for a stick of butter and one large egg, as well as a little bit of flour. And use your own sugar cookie recipe, totally up to you. That's the basics. We're gonna make the sugar cookies first, then we're gonna make the icing using some powdered sugar, some almond extract, and then we're gonna decorate it with some melted chocolate. You can use these chocolate candy melts, or you can just melt down regular chocolate. Either way, it works fine. So let's get to making this recipe. Start with 1 stick of butter that's been softened at room temperature. Next, we're going to add our package of sugar cookie mix, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1 large egg. Just mix this until everything's well combined. Alright, so when the dough has started to clump together, you know it's mixed well. Now we'll move on to the next step. Now what we're going to do is roll our dough out in between some plastic wrap I have down here. That way it kind of makes it so it doesn't stick. Alright, so after our dough has been rolled out, we're just going to take a cookie cutter and cut out our cookies. Now we're just going to take our cookies that we cut out, and I'm going to use a spatula here just to keep them on their shape best they can, and put them on our cookie sheet. Now bake these in the oven at 375 degrees between 7 and 9 minutes. And when these come out of the oven, we just want them to sit and firm up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now we're going to make our cookie icing that's going to go on top of the cookies. And to do that, I just have 1 cup of powdered sugar. Now we're going to put in a little bit of water at a time, about a teaspoon, and mix it up. We want to go slow, only add a little bit of water at a time. I can always add more. Now that that's mixed in really good, we're going to add a little bit of almond extract. You can use vanilla extract or any other kind of extract that you'd like. I am just using the almond extract. Now you only need about a half of a teaspoon, not even much. Mix that in. Alright, so now what I've done was melted down our chocolate. And what I'm going to do is put it in this piping bag, which I have in a cup just for easy access. We're going to put this right on in there. We don't need a whole lot. And we're also going to come back to our frosting, or icing, and we're going to put that in a piping bag as well. Now we're just going to cut a small hole out of our piping bag. This is the one with the cookie icing in it. And we're going to just draw a line around the one cookie at a time. We're going to just draw. And after they've been outlined, we're just going to flood the cookie. And that's just filling it with all the frosting or icing. And once that's done, now what we got to do is go to our chocolate. We're going to cut a very small hole out of this. And we're going to draw some circles. And we're going to do kind of a big circle on the outside. You want to hold it up from the icing just a little bit. Now, immediately, take a toothpick, and we're just going to start in the middle and work our way out, just like so. We We gotta do this when it's wet. There we go, that's one of them. Now we'll do the rest just like that. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to dig into our spiderweb cookies and see how they taste. I love sugar cookies. So good. Almond extract, very good. Make them for yourself. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these spiderweb cookies. It was a lot of fun making these. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. And for the whole month of October, there'll be a new video every single day. So check back tomorrow. And until then, I'll see you tomorrow.